Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Rao Saab, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, good afternoon, welcome. I'm very honored to be standing here with Mr. Reddy, who I truly believe is a pioneer and a great innovator from our own land and has made such a wonderful name for himself and the work that he's doing all over the world. Yup TV is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful company. Apart from the presentation that he's given you, to take Indian content and provide it to our expatriate audience at the press of a button is a wonderful service, I believe. I'm from the entertainment industry, and it means a lot to us that he is an enabler to get our work to our expat audience, not only in the West, but now world over, and now we hope to bring it to India as we have today. And not only that, but to win the Red Herring top 100 companies globally is a huge honor. This is an honor which has previously been won by companies like Google and Facebook. And his being one of the first ever Indian companies to be honored is something that which is of great pride, not only to him, but I feel for the entire nation. To have an app which allows you at the press of a button to watch all the video content that they already have on their platform is a huge convenience to anybody in today's day and age, where our time is of huge paucity and it's very valuable to us. So when I sat with him, obviously before this, and we were discussing about the finer details of Yup TV, to know that on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet, go into the app. If you've missed a show, press it, and there you go. It streams it. You don't need to download it either. It just streams directly from the cloud. And I think that's wonderful in today's day and age when we don't have any time. And it'll be wonderful, especially for the members of the media who do so much traveling to all these press conferences. So you can check the news at the press of a button. And I'm sure Mumbai traffic gives you a lot of time to spend time on the road to see all of this. So it's very convenient as well. Congratulations, Mr. Reddy, on Yup TV Bazaar. I think it's a wonderful initiative. To the winners of the short films, needless to say, I will be seeing them. He's promised me that he'll send me the short films that Sudhir has spent so much time watching and presenting. So many, many congratulations to you all. Keep up the great work. And we hope that instead of now just short films, we can get you all to make some full-length features as well, which you never know by then if Yup TV can premiere exclusively on their app. The future of entertainment is in the internet, I believe. It's digital. The day isn't far away when even full-length feature films will be premiered directly onto the internet. The accountancy, the quality is already assured. And with people like Yup TV around and in the market, you are assured of a definite streaming quality, accuracy. When you have these things at a touch of a button, why would you want to look elsewhere? So we've already discussed this yesterday, Mr. Reddy, that we hope that maybe someday we can put a project together of a A-list Indian film which we can premiere exclusively on Yup TV and for all its subscribers. That day isn't far away, and we look forward to it. Every industry has to evolve with time, and it's wonderful that in our nation and available to us, we have companies like Yup TV who are at the forefront of innovation and that are enabling a lot of young filmmakers the opportunity to go out there and exhibit their films.